Hey everyone, I'm Robert with Royal Cruise Blog. Today I'm going to share with you some of the best tips and tricks for sailing with Royal Caribbean. Now whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned veteran, these tips will help you make the most of your vacation on board one of their amazing ships. And we're going to dive into all that up next. Tip number 1. Download the Royal Caribbean app before you sail. This app will let you check in online, book shore excursions, specialty dining, entertainment and activities, view your daily planner and ship map, chat with other guests and crew members, and even order food and drinks to your location on board. Tip number 2. Pack a carry-on bag for embarkation day. It may take some time for your luggage to be delivered to your stateroom, so make sure you have everything you need for the first day in a separate bag that you carry along with you. You want to include your passport, cruise documents, any medication, valuables, sunscreen, and of course a swimsuit and change of clothes. Tip number 3. Bring your own wine on board to save money. On embarkation day, each guest of drinking age may bring one sealed 750 milliliter bottle of wine or champagne on board with them. Boxed wine and other containers are prohibited. You can enjoy your wine in your room or at any restaurant or bar without paying any corkage fee. Just remember to pack a corkscrew or ask your stateroom attendant for one. Tip number 4. Take advantage of the free activities and entertainment on board the ship. Royal Caribbean ships are packed with fun things to do for all ages and interests. You could try surfing on the Flowrider Simulator, skydiving on the Ripcord by iFly, even ice skating on Studio B, zip lining over the boardwalk neighborhood, or rock climbing on the Signature Wall, water sliding on the Perfect Storm slides, and more. You can also watch amazing shows like Mamma Mia, Grease, We Will Rock You, and Cats. And don't forget to check out the parades and parties throughout the cruise. Tip number 5. Make sure to reserve specialty dining in advance. If you want to treat yourself to some of the best cuisine at sea, you should book your table at one of the many specialty restaurants on board as soon as possible. You can choose from options like Chop's Grill, Wonderland, Jamie's Italian, Izumi Sushi and Hibachi, 150 Central Park, Johnny Rockets, Sabor Modern Mexican, Chef's Table for an intimate experience, Solarium Bistro for healthy fare, and the Coastal Kitchen, exclusive venue for sweet guests and more. You can save money by purchasing a dining package that lets you enjoy multiple restaurants for one price. These are just some of the tips I have for cruising with Royal Caribbean. I hope you found them helpful and that you have an amazing time in your next cruise. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.